Ate Maria, Pine Hill School. Here are your daily notices for Rapa, Wednesday, the 31st of May. Kapahaka in the hall after lunch eating. See you all there. If you are in a cluster football team and you don't have a sports uniform, please come to room 18 straight after these notices. There will be a boys' football training tomorrow at 12:45. Please make sure you turn up since this is our last training. Girls' cluster football, no training today. Next training will be on Thursday at 12:45. Year 3 and 4, Jump Jam Team. You have a practice today at morning tea in the hall. Sticker Patrol shoutouts. Congratulations to Corey from Room 9 for being the very first person to get a sticker from the house leaders. Also from Room 9 were Brooklyn and Chantal. We also have Daniel, Joel and Mulula from Room 15 and Kane from Room 14. Caleb, Rashin, Christopher, Jen and Logan from Room 2. Alex, Lucy and Riley from Room 18 and Riley and Harrison from Room 6. Plus many others. Well done to everyone who earned house points for using the Pine Hill Way at lunchtime. Now let's find out what some of Duncan's crayons are complaining about.
Story time! Story time! Yay! Woo!
Oh, hey, it's time for round 2 of the day the crayons quit. And let's just find out some other colours. Issues are with Duncan and the way that he colours in things. Let's have a little look at our first colour, which happens to be white. Dear Duncan, you colour with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same colour as the page you're using me on. White. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to colour snow or to fill in an empty space between other things. And it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White Crayon. Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of things. Things are coloured in by other crayons, all of which they think are brighter than me. It's not fair. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill in the colours of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon. Wow, quite sad, old Black Crayon. Let's see what Green thinks. Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I am writing for 2 reasons. One is to say that I like my work. Loads of crocodiles, trees, dinosaurs and frogs. I have no problems, and I wish to congratulate you on a very successfully colouring things green career so far. The second reason I write to you is my friends, Yellow Crayon and Orange Crayon. They are no longer speaking to each other because both crayons feel that it should be the colour of the sun. Please settle this soon because they're driving me crazy, and the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend, Green Crayon. Oh, well, that's a bit better. Oh, here we go. So this is a battle between yellow and orange for the sun. Let's see how this works out. Dear Duncan, Yellow Crayon here. I need you to tell Orange Crayon that I am the colour of the sun. I would tell him, but we are no longer speaking. And I can prove I'm the colour of the sun too. Last Tuesday, you used me to colour in the sun in your Happy Farm colouring book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on the field of yellow corn. Your pal and the true colour of the sun, yellow crayon. Right, well, let's see what Orange has to say about that. Dear Duncan, I see yellow crayon already talked to you, the big whiner. Anyway, could you please tell Mr. Tattletale that he is not the colour of the sun? I would, but we're no longer speaking. We both know I am clearly the colour of the sun because on Thursday, you used me to colour the sun on both the Monkey Island and the Meet the Zookeeper page in your Day at the Zoo colouring book. Orange, you glad I'm here? Orange, you glad I'm here? Your pal and the real colour of the sun, orange crayon. Well, I wonder how that battle ends up. We'll have to maybe read the sequel to find out. Anyway, that's all for today. We'll see you next time as we will wrap up what some of the other colours have to say to Duncan. See you then. Matt.
Story time, yay! Woo!
That was your daily news for Rapa, Wednesday the 31st of May. Thank you for watching. Have a Pine Hill day using the Pine Hill way. E no hora, ka kite anō.